Hello and welcome to another video where we will assist you in realizing your earning potential and achieving your financial objectives. If you're seeking to make a handful of significant cash in 2023, you've come to the perfect place. In this video, we will present 7 business ideas with the potential to earn $1,000 or more every day. These suggestions are ideal for prospective entrepreneurs or those looking to expand their existing enterprises. We will provide some tried and true tactics and pointers to help you flourish in the cutthroat world of business. So, keep watching to the end, press the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful information like this. Let's get started. First guaranteed business idea is pet care services. Pets are more than simply animals. They are members of the family that require love, care, and attention. As a pet care service provider, you will be entrusted with giving furrents peace of mind by guaranteeing that their pets are happy, in good health, and well cared for. The pet care sector has developed in recent years as the number of pet owners ready to spend money on their pets' well-being has increased. There are countless services that pet owners are ready to pay for, ranging from grooming to dog walking, pet sitting to pet training. Furthermore, pet care services are no longer a luxury but a need. Pet parents have hectic lives and may lack the time or finances to give their dogs the necessary care. This is where your organization comes in, offering a useful service to pet lovers who want the best for their pets. To start a successful pet care business, you have to have a solid business plan, essential tools like grooming supplies and applications for managing appointments and billing, an established online reputation, outstanding client service, connection with local veterinarians, and ongoing education to stay current with industry trends. People constantly need their houses cleaned. Therefore, offering home cleaning services is a surefire method to make money. People frequently fail to find the time or energy to clean their own houses in today's hectic world, which is where your services come in. You may deliver a sparkling house and peace of mind to your clients by providing a professional, dependable, and efficient cleaning service. To meet a variety of demands, you can additionally offer customized services such as deep cleaning, post-construction cleaning, and move-in, move-out cleaning. Your home cleaning business will grow and give you a continuous stream of money if you use the correct marketing approach and perform excellent customer service. A dependable vacuum cleaner, microfiber cloths, cleaning chemicals, and a mop are all necessary instruments for a house cleaning service. A ladder, duster, and specialized cleaning gear may also be required for difficult-to-reach spots. Invest in marketing your services through social media, business cards, and word of mouth as well. In order to prevent misunderstandings with clients, provide a clear price structure and be honest about your services. Building close relationships with those who hire you and providing outstanding customer service will help you keep them while also generating favorable evaluations that can attract prospective clients. Ultimately, keep up with industry trends and innovations to guarantee you're providing the finest service possible. Many individuals find hosting an event difficult, but hiring the essential equipment should not be. This is where event rental services will help. You may hire out everything from tables and chairs to tents and lights via your own business. You can lessen your clients' concern about event preparation by delivering high-quality equipment and good customer service. Plus, with the increasing use of social media and the ease of sharing images online, folks are more willing to go beyond the ordinary when throwing events, making event rental services a profitable business concept. So, why not sit back, relax, and let your rental equipment handle the heavy lifting? As an event rental supplier, you will need to invest in a number of tools and equipment such as tables, chairs, tents, linens, lights, and decor items. It's important to keep your inventory in good shape and to continuously renew it in order to satisfy client requests. Creating a user-friendly website, promoting through social media, and giving competitive pricing will all assist to attract clients. Providing outstanding client services, varied rental options, and a simple booking procedure will help you achieve return and reference business. Additionally, Forming a partnership with organizers, accommodations, and suppliers could broaden your reach and increase your earnings. Virtual gatherings are the new black tie affair in today's digital age. The fourth concept is virtual event planning, which is in high demand, from virtual meetings to webinars as well as online celebrations. You could deliver top-notch event planning, production, and coordination services to clients all around the world as an innovative entrepreneur, all without leaving your couch. With a little imagination, technology, and a dash of humor, you can create remarkable virtual experiences that rival in-person events. So, instead of commuting, embrace the virtual stage and let your business bloom in the world of pixels and pixels. Let's make virtual events the most popular thing since sliced bread. As a virtual event service, you will need a reliable computer, fast internet and video conferencing, event management and ticketing software. Investing in high-quality cameras, microphones, and lighting could significantly enhance the logistical value of your virtual events. Creating an attractive website, promoting it through social media, and giving reasonable pricing will all assist to attract clients. Personalization, compelling material, and interactive elements may help your virtual event stand out. Working with skilled speakers, entertainers, and sponsors is a way to improve the audience experience. Also, offering exceptional customer service and soliciting feedback for continual development can result in repeat and referral business. Hola, bonjour, hello. Language tutoring can open doors to a world of opportunity, and you can be the one to help others unlock them. As a language tutor, you can provide individualized instruction to students of various ages and abilities, covering everything from grammar and vocabulary to conversation and culture. You could teach from any location across the entire world and interact with students from all walks of life if you have technology on your side. Furthermore, as the relevance of globalization and multiculturalism grows, so will the need for language instruction. So, prepare to conjugate some verbs, roll some R's, and watch your business expand quicker than you can say polyglot. As a language tutor, it is essential to be fluent in both the language in which you're teaching and the language of your pupils. To further improve the learning experience, you could teach online using video conferencing software such as Zoom or Skype, as well as screen sharing tools and interactive whiteboards. Establishing a decent website, promoting it through social media, and giving reasonable pricing will all help to attract clients. Personalized lesson preparation, a range of instructional resources, and flexible scheduling can help keep students interested and motivated. Do you consider yourself a fashionista with a good sense of style? Why not convert your love into a business by providing personal shopping and styling services? As a personal stylist, you will be the fashion fairy godmother, assisting clients in curating their wardrobes and discovering their own style. You may make their fashion fantasies come true, whether it is a new outfit for a particular event or a total wardrobe revamp. On top of that, with the help of social media and the significance of having a professional appearance, the demand for personal shopping and styling services is only increasing. So put on your trendy shoes, grab your fashion journal, and get ready to slay the fashion game like a boss. You're going to need an outstanding fashion sense, awareness of current fashion trends, and a solid network of fashion vendors to function as a personal shopping and styling service. Developing an attractive website, promoting it through social media, and giving reasonable pricing will all contribute to attracting clients. Providing exceptional client service, individual style sessions, and staying current on fashion trends will help you get return and referral business. Last but not the least, imagine this situation. You're running a business from the comfort of your own home, with no goods to keep and no shipping to worry about. How is this possible, you may wonder? With dropshipping, of course. As a dropshipper, you can collaborate with suppliers to sell things online without ever having to touch the real goods. You will be the e-commerce middleman, giving people things they want while making a profit. Dropshipping is a sure method to generate money while relaxing on the couch with little overhead expenses and flexibility to sell items abroad. So sit back, relax, and let dropshipping drive your business to new heights. You will need a website or online store, dependable suppliers, and an efficient marketing plan as a dropshipper. Customers could be lured by researching profitable areas, selecting high-quality items, and giving competitive prices. Automating the order fulfillment process, offering exceptional customer service, and regularly testing plus tweaking your marketing techniques could all aid your firm to boost earnings and thrive. And that's a wrap. We hope you liked learning about these 7 profitable business ideas that may help you earn $1,000 or more every day. Remember that you can make your entrepreneurial ambitions a reality if you have the appropriate mentality and dedication. So, get out there, take action, and start building up your successful business without delay. Do not forget to leave a comment below and tell us which concept resonated with you the most. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more excellent information like this. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.